Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, hi Shana, hi. Good evening.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, great. So I am sharing my screen. Okay.
Hi.
Yeah. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Your voice is also very clear. Okay, good. Okay, so yeah, I think all other discussion we have already done yesterday, right? Let us start with our topic directly. Okay.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So tell me one thing. Like, did you watch any of the video which I sent you on WhatsApp?
Yes, yeah, little bit I tried to manage to
Hmm.
listen, but not entire. Didn't get enough time.
Okay, okay. So were you able to understand whatever little bit which you watched? Were you able to
Yes,
understand something?
the amount of time that when I need to dedicate apart from the class
Hmm.
and the whole session is going to be the
Yeah,
intention of the
yeah, the homework and all,
study
correct.
of things. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
I could.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's just start with that now. Okay, and tell me one more thing. Like any prior idea of German? Like, have you tried to learn any time earlier?
Just from the Duolingo,
Okay,
few words I
okay,
have learned.
okay, okay,
Uh,
okay. Yeah, good.
and yeah, I work as a nurse manager here, and I
Okay.
am planning to
Hmm.
go there. And I would love to finish B2
Okay,
before I go.
okay, okay. And
Yeah,
how do you know Ronald?
Ronald is my staff.
He's
I'm
your
having a group of 104 nurses with me working, and
okay.
altogether at least 500 nurses in the unit. I'm managing a huge unit,
Okay, great, great.
so
So
he's one of my
you
staff.
are in Dubai right now?
Pardon?
You are in Dubai?
Yeah,
Okay, nice, great, great. Okay,
yeah,
so let's start now. See, whenever we start with a new language, now first of all we start with the letters. We start
yes,
with the ABCD. We see what script is used, what letters are there, what numerals are there, what figures are there. Okay. So
yeah,
no need to write down anything. All this video, PDF, everything I will send you. So just enjoy the lecture. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. So German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of letters, right? Same ABCD we have. Just like we have
yeah,
the same thing in English, just like that, the same ABCD we have in German with some extra letters. Two, three extra letters are there as compared to English, but the remaining 26 English letters are as it is from A till Z.
yeah.
Okay. So, just like you have the ABCD in English, we say like ABCDEFGH. Just like that, we have one ABCD in German that is basically spoken as ABCDEFG, like this. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm playing one video here. See here, I'm playing one video. That is basically the German ABCD video. So I'll play it 3 4 times. Try to listen to it. Try to understand it, and then we'll compare these German ABCD letters with the English ABCD. Okay. Yeah. So I'm playing the video. Listen to it. Yeah.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay. I'm playing it once again. Listen to it.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Right? Done? Done? I cannot hear you. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so now you have to repeat after me, okay? Yeah, speak
Yeah.
ABCD.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
AFG. Yeah,
G,
after me. AFG.
A, F, G.
Ha, E, yacht, ka.
H, I, J, K,
LMNO, pe.
L, M, N, O, P,
Who, S, T.
U, R, S, T,
U, V.
U, V,
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z.
Once again, ABCD.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
AFG. Yeah, Ha, E, yacht, ka. Ha, E, yacht, ka.
A, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Who, S, T.
U, R, S, T,
U, V.
V,
V.
U, V,
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z.
Okay, now repeat entire. Okay, speak on your own. Speak. Start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Hmm.
H, I, J,
Yacht. Yacht.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Hmm.
Q, R, S, T, U, U is U, V,
Yeah.
U, V, X, Y, Z.
Once again.
A, B, C, D, E is what? A, F, G,
Hmm.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Who,
Q,
S, T.
Q, R, S, T,
Hmm. U, V.
U, V, X, Y, Z.
Okay, X, Y, Z. Right? Done? Okay.
Done.
Yeah, good. So now you have to understand what is the utility of this. What's the purpose of this? Just suppose you are standing in a German office and you are reciting your name. You are telling the spelling of your name. Okay. So just suppose that the person who is writing your name or typing your name, he doesn't know English. Then at that time, if you
Yes.
say that my name spelling is Shaina, Shyna, then the person will not be able to understand because he doesn't know English. That's why. Okay.
Yes.
So at that time, you have to
Yeah.
speak the German letters like S, H, Epsilon, N, R, like this. You have to do, right? So now
Okay.
you see here, there are some names written here. You can see my mouse pointer.
Yeah.
Okay. There are some names written here. You have to speak these names. Okay, one by one. Start speaking the letters of this name using the German list of letters, like A, S, H, E, D, S, H, A, like this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Start.
A,
Hmm.
S,
Hmm.
H, I, D,
Day. Slowly. Day.
D,
Hmm.
S, H, A.
Next.
J is yacht, right?
Hmm.
J. Yeah, yeah. Yacht, A, L, L is L, yeah, okay. L, A, L.
Next.
M is what? M, E, T, S, U.
Hmm.
Fa, A,
Foul.
I,
Foul. Foul.
A, Fa,
V is
okay.
foul. Okay.
Okay. Fa, A, I is E, Ha, A,
E S
Fa.
E S S S.
E, S, Ha, N, A, Fa.
Next.
S, A, N, D, P, Sa,
S, not Sa.
E,
S.
S, A, L, Fa, E.
A. Okay.
Is A, okay.
Next.
P, I wrote it down in my language, so
Yeah.
I'm just seeing
Yes.
what.
You can see. Okay. Speak next. This one.
P, A, Fa, A, Ka,
N.
uh,
Slowly. N.
N
Hmm.
N Ka
Who?
U M A R
Hmm.
N Ka U R A G A N T I
Next.
P P R
Oh,
A
no, no, no,
B
no. O, O. It's O.
okay, O P O V E L
A.
L
A, not
K
E. It's A. E is A.
is okay L L G is G E
A, not E. It's A.
A O R G A
Next.
P R A B
Hmm.
H A T K U M A R
Yeah. Next.
S is S S H I T A L P A T A E L
No, no. A, L. Okay. Not E, L.
A L
It's
okay.
A, L. Okay. Next.
D H R U V I E N M A H T A
Okay. Good. I think that's sufficient. That's enough. Right? Okay.
okay.
So that is the name of this letter thing, right? Now we have to start with the rules. The rules, like, when you speak a sentence, we use the sounds. That what is the sound of A, what is the sound of B. So that we'll be doing now. So I am opening one file. Okay, this file I'll send you. You can later you can take a printout. Okay, so see here. So as I told you, the same Roman alphabets we use from A till Z. There are two parts: vowels and consonants, right? So vowels are your A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are B, C, D till Z. Am I clear?
Sir, I don't have time to write it down.
Nothing,
Huh?
nothing.
I cannot write now.
No need to write. You just enjoy the lecture. I'll send the PDF right away. Okay? Okay. I'll send the PDF. No need. You can write it down after the class if you want. Otherwise, it's not required. Try to directly
Okay.
understand the things. Okay?
I prefer in my handwriting to write. Okay.
You
Fine,
can
no
you can
problem. I'll
write
do
it.
that.
You can write it after the class if you want. I'll send the PDF. Okay?
Okay,
So
sure.
German, as
Thank
you know, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets, right? From A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Same Roman set of alphabets are there. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and B, C, D, T, Z are the consonants. So
Thanks, yeah.
now I am drawing one table: B, D, G, P, T, K. What is the meaning? Any word ending with B, D, or G. Okay, any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, or G, any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, or G, then respectively the sound will be pa, ta, and ka. Okay, the sound will be pa, ta, and ka. So speak the example. Speak this example: geep, geep. This example you have to speak: geep.
Geep.
Second, kint.
Kint.
Next, third, tak.
Tak.
Okay, geep, kint, and tak. So B in the end is pa, D in the end is ta, and G in the end is ka.
D stuff G is okay.
Okay, clear now?
Yeah.
Next is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay, A and A. After A, if it is one consonant, then A sound, otherwise A sound. Okay, after A, if it is one consonant, okay, you have to do the counting. If it is one consonant after A, then it is A sound, otherwise A sound. So if you see the example ALT, tell me how many consonants after this? After A, how
Two.
many two? Very good. Two are there. So that's why it is the A sound, alt. Speak alt. Okay. Then FRAGEN. After A, how many consonant?
Three.
No, direct consonant only one. Direct consonant, direct. Okay. So after G it is a vowel. So that's why we'll stop the counting here. So it's only one consonant. Okay, right? Fragen. Then next is again after A it's one consonant. Speak the example. Tragen.
So I didn't understand. If it is
After
two
A you have to count the
consonant.
yes, you have to count the consonants. Okay, what are consonants? This B, C, D till Z, these are the consonants. So after
Yeah.
A, if it is one consonant, then A sound. Directly only one. Na? After A, only G is
Ah.
there. Okay,
One
that's what.
consonant.
Yes,
Ah.
yes. If directly one consonant. Directly. Okay.
Okay.
Directly, if it is one consonant, then A sound, otherwise A sound. So here, if you see, after A, only one. That's why it is Fragen and Tragen. Right?
Fragen.
Fragen and Tragen. But here it is two. That's why it becomes alt. Okay, that's why it becomes alt.
Okay.
Yeah, check it. Tell me if you have any doubt in this. Alt, Fragen and Tragen.
And Dragon.
Yes, alt, Fragen and Tragen.
Alt U-U-N. Okay.
Alt, not you. It is the sound, not you. Okay, that is just a way to write the So don't make it you. It is just the sound. Okay, alt,
Alt.
Fragen and Tragen. Okay. Then next is E. E is having the A sound. E is having a normal A sound. So speak the example. SN, and egal. After A it is one consonant. After A it is one consonant. That's why it becomes the A sound. SN, egal. Okay, getting now what I'm saying?
Not really.
Try to understand
When
it, right? Try to concentrate here. I said E is having the A sound. A sound. Normal A sound. Okay, so how you will speak this SN? A sound is coming, na? A and A, SN. We are discussing about the sounds, SN. And second one, second example, speak second example.
EGAL.
So you have to speak how you will speak. You will not see EGAL, na? Speak the complete word, egal.
Egal.
Egal, because after it is one consonant, so A sound, egal. That is the sound, egal. What? Okay. Then after I, if it is one consonant, then long E. After I, again you have to do the counting. If it is one consonant, then long E. If more than one, then short E. So see here, I double ST. How many consonant after I?
2, 3.
3. So short E. Ist. Speak ist.
East.
Then WIDER. After I, how many?
1.
Yes, very good. Only one is there directly. That's why it is a long E. Wieder. Speak wieder.
Reader.
Then BILD. After I, how many?
1.
2.
Build. Okay, 2.
2. That's why short E, built. Okay. So built is a sound, and D in the end is star. Remember, D in the end is star. Built. No.
E and E. Okay.
Okay, avoid that writing and all, right? You will be getting distracted again. Don't write anything. I'll send the PDF. I told you I'll send the PDF. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then GIB. After I, how many? See here.
1.
So long E, geep. Speak. Geep.
Give.
Yes.
Give.
Geep. Yeah, that is the meaning. Leave the meaning. Then KIND. After I, how many?
1. 2.
Short E, kint.
Int.
Then after A, how many?
1. Tak.
Tak. Okay. A, E, and I. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. Okay. O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O for awesome. Right? After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O for awesome. So speak the example first.
Odor.
Yes. Second,
Soul.
Zol. Single S is Z, double S is Zol. Okay.
Zol.
Second one is Zol. Then after that, next, third.
Monad. Monad.
Exactly. Monad. After O, it is one consonant, and after it is one consonant. That becomes O and A. So that becomes monad. Okay. Odor, Zol, monad, and next is corp.
Corp.
Okay, got it? Odor, Zol, monad, and corp. So go through it. Tell me if you have any doubt in this.
No. A-I-O-U. Yeah.
A-E-I-O-U. Oder, Zoll, Monad, and Corp. Next is U.
Yeah.
U is having the U sound.
Ooh.
Okay. U is having the U sound, normal U sound. Neither it is short nor it is long. Okay. Neither it is short nor it is long. So speak the example. Tun.
Tun.
Hmm. Next.
Mutter. Mutter.
Mutter. Next.
Shoe.
Shoe. Okay. Tun, mutter, and shoe. Got it now? Tun, mutter, and shoe.
Shoe.
Okay.
S-A-H-E.
SCH is a
Shoe.
combination. You have heard of that company, Robert Bosch. Robert Bosch,
But
Schindler, Schneider, all these are German companies.
yeah.
Okay, so SCH is a combination. SCH sound is sh.
Yes.
Okay, SCH sound is sh. So that becomes shoe. Right? Check
Shoe.
it. Tell me if you have any doubt till here.
No. Tun, mutter, shoe.
Tone, mutter, and shoe. Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
Now I am sending you this PDF file. Okay. I am sending you the file on the Zoom chat.
Okay. Thank you.
I have sent the file on Zoom chat. Check it. Hello.
Yes, 1 minute. Zoom chart.
Yeah. I sent a hi again. Check it.
Okay.
Got it? You will see a chat option in the just near that near the mute button.
Yeah.
Okay, so come to the chat window. I have sent the PDF file there. Check it.
Okay.
Got the file? Hello.
1 minute, sir. I'm not that great in doing all that. Let me just take the help of
Sure,
my
sure.
daughter to
Yeah, yeah,
open
sure,
it for
sure.
me.
Sure, sure.
So,
Okay.
wait. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
Kashman karchima girmuka. Takire some. My daughter says we cannot open it.
Okay, then do one thing. You tell me your email address. Tell me your Gmail address. I'll send the file on Gmail.
It is not opening. Some writings are coming, but not English. Something
No
else.
problem. Tell me your Gmail address. Gmail.
No, I will type it here.
Yes, sure. Please type it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. Please check your mail. Got the file?
Yes, sir. Yeah, got the file. Yeah, the same thing that you just taught
Yes.
me now.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So go through the file for 5 minutes. Go through all the letters A, E, I, O, U for 5 minutes. Okay.
What's that, sir? Sorry, what do I need to do?
Whatever we have learned, na A, E, I, O, U, those 5 letters you have to go through. You have to revise for 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Revise it, and after that we will discuss them again. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay, done all. Revise properly. A, E, I, O, U. Did you revise? Hello, did you revise that?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Doing it, sir. Still,
Okay, okay, do it, do it. Yeah, sure.
I'm taking little time to
No
see one
problem.
by one.
No problem, do it.
Sir, if it is Fragen or Frugen with you,
Fragen, Fragen, no. When in U it is Tun, Mutter and Shu. Three examples are there. Tun, Mutter and Shu.
yeah.
Finish it till you. Let me know once done till you.
Yes, sir. Done till you. Sir, done till you.
Okay. So now start from the top. Okay, you can see my screen. Start from the top and speak the examples from this BDGPTK. Only the example you have to speak. Okay, start. Yeah. Start from here. Speak the examples. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Gib, Kind, Tak,
Next.
Alt, Fragen, Tragen,
Hmm. Next.
S, SN, Egal,
Next.
East, Vidar, Built,
Next.
Oder, Zol, Monad, Crop, Carp,
Next.
Tun, Mutter, Shu.
Yeah. Tun, mutter, and shu. Now next is the consonants B. Okay. So B in the end is pa and beginning of middle is B for Bombay. Okay. B in the end is pa and beginning of middle is B for Bombay. Speak the example.
Didn't get you, sir.
Yeah. Belen, Oben. Speak the example. Belen.
Belen, Oben,
Hmm.
Corp, Keep.
Geep. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Next is C. C is having the k sound, just the k sound. So example is camping. Okay. Speak camping.
Camping.
Right. C is having the k sound. Example is camping. Okay. Then next is D. D in the end is T from the table BDGPTK, and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay, D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example. Dum.
No, I didn't understand.
D
I
in the
know
end is
when it is
T,
ending with D, it is tha.
and rest everywhere it is D for dog. The sound. Okay.
Okay, when it is starting with D, it is the sound.
Yeah.
Okay,
Example.
dum,
Example. Dum. Dum.
dum,
Next. Bida. Bida.
bide, bide,
Okay. EI is I, so that becomes Bida.
bide,
Yeah. Next is IE. IE is E. Speak Vidar. Vidar.
reader,
Vidar. Next. Bat.
but,
Bat. Next.
hunt,
Hunt. Dum, Bida, Vidar, Bat, and Hunt. Okay. Dum, Bida, Vidar, Bat, and Hunt. Simple. Okay. Got it now? Dum,
yes,
Bida, Vidar, Bat, and Hunt. Next is F. F is simple first sound. Speak the example.
foul,
Foul. Foul. AU is ow. That becomes foul.
foul,
Yes.
shoof,
Shaft. Shaft. Not shoof. It's shaft.
tough,
Okay. Shaft. Next is G. G in the end is K and beginning of middle is G for gun. Okay. G in the end is K and beginning of middle is G for gun. So speak the example. Gegen,
talk, clug,
Tag, and Klug. Gegen, Tag, and Klug. Okay.
klug,
Yeah. Next is H. H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent. Okay.
in the,
H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent.
halt,
Right? Yeah.
G,
Halt. Hmm.
Gehen, no, it is silent. G, ga, ge, gen,
Yeah. Yeah. Gian. Halt. Gian. Next. Zayan.
Zain,
Okay. Exactly. Halt. Gian and Zayan.
Zain.
Okay.
Zain is yes in Arabic.
Yeah. Halt. Gian and Zayan. Okay. Next is J. J is yeah for yellow. Okay. J is yeah for yellow. Speak the example.
Junge,
Yunga. Very good. Yunga. Hmm.
Junga,
Yeah. Next is K L M N P is Kala Manapa same. Okay. K L M N P same sound. Kala Manapa. So speak the example.
class,
Klasa. Next.
chicken,
Chicken. Next.
keller,
Keller. Next.
will,
Will. Next.
atman,
Artman. Very good. Next.
shuvim,
Swim. Swim. Yeah. Swim.
rim,
Next.
rennen,
Next.
brown,
Next.
lippe,
Lippa. Okay. Got it.
lippa,
Yes. Lippa. No. No. Not pa. That is that. Don't read the second column. This is the actual word left and right. Lippa.
lip,
Okay.
lippa.
Yes. Lippa. Fine. Got it now. Till here.
Yeah, very fast. Yes.
Okay. Very good. So now again go through the complete PDF once again. Okay. Go through the PDF file. Everything from A to P. A, E, I, O, U, and then B, C, D, F till P. Revise everything for 5 minutes and then again we'll discuss. Then we'll move ahead of P. Okay. I'm going little bit slowly today because it is the first lecture. So take your time. There is no hurry. Okay. But whatever we do, you should be able to
This is
understand that.
fast already.
Yeah, kind of demo. Okay. That means like lecture number 0. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Content wise, it is lecture 1. Okay. So that's what I'm saying that we'll go a little bit slowly. But whatever we are doing, you should be able to understand that. So there is no hurry. Take your time. Okay. Yeah, go through the PDF. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. German, only German. Yeah.
Sir, done.
Yeah, done everything? Revised everything?
Yeah.
Tell me any doubt?
No.
No? Okay, then you can see my screen. Speak the examples from B. Okay, speak from this balloon. Speak the example.
Balloon.
Next.
Open.
Hmm.
Open. Car.
Hmm.
Give.
Yeah. Next.
Camping.
Camping, camping.
Camping.
They have taken this word from English. You can say camping also. Next. Doom.
Doom.
Next.
Wide.
Next.
Wide. Bath.
Hmm.
Hunt.
Next.
Fall.
Hmm.
Shaft.
Shaft. Next.
Gegen.
Hmm.
Talk.
Hmm.
Clue.
Yeah. Next.
Junge.
Hmm. Yeah. Next.
Lars.
Cluster.
Plaster.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Keller.
Hmm.
Will.
Hmm.
Woodman.
Atman. Atman.
Atman.
Hmm.
Okay. Prim.
Swim.
Rennen.
Renan.
Brown.
Brown.
Lip.
Lippa.
Lipha.
Okay. Got it?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
This completes our letters till P. Now you again revise the PDF for 2 minutes. Let me know. We'll be doing till here only because remaining rules we'll be doing in the next class after you join. Okay. So just take 2-3 minutes
Yes.
more and revise everything from till P. And in case you have any question related to the course, related to the content, anything related to the exam, anything, if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. First you go through the PDF and then we can discuss that. Okay.
Fine. Thank you. Sir, I'm done with the review. I have a few questions, sir.
Yeah, tell me please.
Okay. How the exam format is going to be?
Exam is having 4 modules: reading, writing, listening, speaking. Okay. Our course is exactly as per the exam curriculum. We'll be covering all the 4 modules: reading, writing, listening, speaking. All 4 modules we'll be covering. So our approach is that you can write down the B1 exam directly, and after that you write down the B2 exam. So there is no need to write down the A1 A2 exam. If you want to write, you can write it, but it is just basically, if you want to save the money, then you can directly write down the B1 exam. Okay.
Reading, writing, speaking, and
Reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
listening.
4 modules are there in all the languages, and whether you write A1 or whether you write B1, the pattern is same: reading, writing, listening, speaking, in all the
Okay, so
languages.
I keep off A1 and A2, and I need to do B1 and B2.
That is our suggestion, that you write down the B1 directly, and then after that you write down the B2 to save your A1 A2 exam fees. Okay, but that is just our suggestion. If you want to write A1 or A2 also, you can write that also. But anyhow, it will cost you. The exam fees will be there. Okay.
Yeah. And you will arrange for us to do the exam, or exam we need to arrange on our
It
own?
is very easy process. You are in Dubai. Okay, you will have the exam center in Dubai itself. Okay, it's a very easy process. You just have to drop an email. You have to submit the exam fees and then book your slot. It is not a difficult task. It's a very easy task. It is difficult to write in India because the dates are very less, and the number of people who want to write the exam are many more. So many times they put you in the waiting list, right? So it takes like 1 or 2 months to get the date here. But in Dubai, it is very easy process. In Dubai, in Germany, it is very easy process. No need to worry. You will be able to get the date directly. Okay.
Okay. With your experience, sorry to ask this question. With your
Yeah.
experience,
Hmm.
how long will it take for an average student to do the
We
B1
have
exams?
we have fixed number of lectures, 25 lectures per level, as I told you yesterday. Okay. So
Ah,
A1 till B2, total 100 lectures are there. It is 25 lectures per level.
25 lecture per level.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So A1 A2 B1 is 75, and A1 A2 B1 B2 is 100. Total 100. Okay.
Okay.
So if you ask me that how many months it will take, it depends how many lectures you are taking in a week. Okay, if you are already working, after each lecture you will be getting 2.5 to 3 hour of homework. So that is what I am suggesting. Don't keep the classes daily. You keep like 2 to 3 classes in a week initially, so that once you get comfortable, after that we can increase the lectures to 4 also. So overall, easily it will take you 7 to 8 months to reach B2.
7 to 8 months.
To reach B2.
If I will take 3 class per week.
Yes, average
My right.
3 class. Sometimes it can be 2 also. Sometimes it can be 4 also. Okay, but you make a broad target to finish in 7 to 8 months. So if it is July going on right now, you make a target to clear B2 by February. Okay.
B2 by February.
Yeah. That
Okay,
should be
this
your
is my.
target. That should be your initial target.
Okay. So if I need to do the A1 exam, I can do it
You can do it after
in
2 months. Okay.
2 months.
Yeah.
A1 to be
But
two
in
months.
September first week. In September first week.
Oh, okay. September first week. Okay. Once I do the A1 exam, and how long is that valid, sir?
It is valid lifelong. Okay.
Okay. So no need to repeat again
No,
after
no,
that.
nothing,
Okay.
nothing. Language certificates don't expire. Okay.
Because in the IELTS or OET, it is 2 years valid. So
Yeah,
just
yeah. These days they have
I
done it,
can.
but it is these kind of problems. So that's what I'm saying. Target the B1 exam directly, right? If you're just concerned with the exam pattern, then only you write down A1. As such, it is not required with the all, because 5 or 6 mock papers you will be solving in the class. So you can see your performance in the mock papers, right? If you find it is going good, then my suggestion is that you write down the B1 exam directly, because in Dubai it will easily cost you approximately 18 to 20,000 rupees INR for per exam. Okay.
20,000 rupees per exam.
Yeah,
Okay.
18 to 20, something around. In India, it is 10 to 12. In Dubai, it is like 5 or 6 thousand extra. Okay.
Per exam.
It's
Okay,
there
sir.
in dirham, na. So it's dirham. You can check the fees. How much is it?
Yeah, sure.
It's like 900 or 1,000 dirham, I think. Approximately 18 to 19,000.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the thing. Yeah.
One more question, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
In the writing, speaking, and listening, in OET there is like you need to get the band 7 band 6,
60%,
blah blah blah.
60% is the criteria. 60% to clear the exam. 60% you have to score in the exam.
60 in each module or
Yes.
overall 60?
Each also, overall also. Okay.
60% each module and overall. Okay.
Overall, it will automatically come when you score in each module. Okay. So each module criteria is there.
This is a minimum score, sir. 60%.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
And that's very easy to achieve. So no need to worry. It's not difficult to achieve. Okay.
I hope so.
Yeah, if you see, if you take the lectures timely, and if you do the homework as per the way I tell, as I told you, after each lecture you will be getting 2.5 hour of homework. So that 2.5 hour will make you clear the exam. Okay. If you
Okay. So
are honest
you'll be
with
writing. You are giving the homework to do writing.
homework is, multiple tasks are there. Sometimes it is just you have to learn some words. Sometimes you have to write some sentences. Sometimes you have to watch some movie on YouTube. Different kind of activities are there. It is not always writing. Different kind of activities are there. But more or less, you have to keep 2.5 hour free after every lecture. That is what I am saying. Okay.
Fine, no problem. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for
Okay.
your time.
If
And the session will be 1 hour, isn't it, sir?
each session 1 hour I will be taking, and my wife will be taking. I will be taking all the grammar. My wife will be taking the B1 B2 exam preparation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can let me know as early as possible. Accordingly, we can plan and start after that. Okay.
Thank you so much for your
Yeah.
time. Have a great
Sure.
day ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Okay. Yeah.